Hello friends, how are you all doing? In this particular video, I'm going to be do something technical, I'm going to be teaching you something technical, and that is how to factory reset your phone. Yes guys, so many times it happens that you forgot your pattern, you forgot your passwords, and you are not able to open your phone. So in that situation, you can unlock your phone without even knowing the password or pattern. You can even crack it. So by this way, factory resetting your phone, you will be able to do that. But most importantly, please note that this technique will erase all your data on your phone. So before going for factory reset, you should always back up your data on not daily basis but on periodical basis. You should always back up your data. But today we are gonna do a factory reset of this Samsung Galaxy S4. I have this Galaxy S4 phone with me right now, and as you can see here, and let me show you that my phone is locked with this pattern, if you can see, and I am not able to break it because I don't know the pattern. Okay, because this is gifted by my uncle, so I thought let's just open it, and he also don't know the pattern. Okay, so how to unlock this phone and how to factory reset this phone now. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just open the back cover or this, wait a second, and remove the battery for a second. Okay, so I'm gonna do that first. Just make sure that your phone has now a new fresh start. So like this, just remove the battery for seconds and wait for 3 to 4 seconds, and then put it back. Okay, and now here's the technique, and the most important thing, another thing, that for each and every phone, each and every company's model, there are different techniques for unlocking or factory resetting phones. So make sure that for this phone, it will be the power, the volume, power, and this button, but home button. But for different phones, this technique will be different. For example, for Lenovo phones, it will be volume up and the home button, etc. Okay guys, so now we're gonna do for this one. So friends, for this particular Samsung S4, the technique is volume up button, home button, and power button. So you need to simultaneously press all these 3 buttons, and then your phone will vibrate once, and at that time you need to remove your finger from this power button and keep on holding these 2 buttons, volume up button and home button. Okay guys, so watch out here. So I've removed the finger from my power button. It will look like so. Okay, at this moment you can remove your fingers, and now as you can see now that there are various options: reboot system now, apply update from ADB, wipe data, factory reset, reboot to bootloader. So power down, there are various options guys, and for selecting them you can do that from this volume button, as you can see here. So we're gonna select the wipe data factory reset, the 5th option. Okay guys, and then for selecting this option you need to go for this power button. So it will be asking you for confirmation, that confirm wipe all user data. So we will be selecting this yes, delete all user data. Now it's rebooting guys. It will again ask it will take some time. As you can see here, it's showing that wiping data, formatting data. It will take some time. As I said, guys, it will again ask you, and now this time you need to select the option reboot system now. Reboot system. I don't know why my camera is not focusing, guys. I'm really sorry. So it's the first option here, reboot system now, and you're gonna select it with the power button. Now it will reboot. And have some patience because it will take some time. So patience is very important. It's rebooting. It will ask for the permissions, the account, but we are gonna skip all that because we are focusing on the just unlocking the phone right now. You can set it later also. As you can see, guys, it has rebooted, and now it is asking me for the language and the accessibility. So next, skip, next, यहाँ पे yes, I understand, yes, consent providing diagnostic and user data. Date and time will be set. Next. So it's asking for finish. Click on the finish and you are ready to see your phone again unlocked. Yes, guys, we have made it. So the phone has successfully unlocked. As you can see here, my phone was locked with the pattern. So you can also unlock your phone like this, and it will be totally unlocked, and you need to not spend money for just like unlocking it. Okay, and you can unlock it by yourself only, and the way is factory set, as I told you, as I taught you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please comment down below, and please subscribe to the channel. And to take, I will be coming up with more videos soon. Okay, guys, so till then, take care, and I love you all so much. Bye bye.